Good morning. Today we will explain the last topic from Unit 11, 11.3, comparing quantities. Our objective today is use percentages to represent and compare different quantities. Now, let's revise how to calculate percentages of quantity. We have 400. How we will find 50% of 400? Who remember? Yes, we will divide the number by 2. How much we will get? 200. And to find 25% of 400, what we will do? Yes, we will divide the number by 4. So 400 divided by 4 equal 100. To find 10%, who will tell me what we will do? Yes, we will divide the number by 10. 400 divided by 10 equal 40. Now, I want the smart boy or smart girl to tell me how we will find 5% of 400. Yes, excellent. We will divide the number on 20 and 400 divided 20 equal 20. Now to find 1%, how we will find 1%? Yes, we will divide the number by 100. How much? Yes, 400 divided by 100 equal 4. Excellent. Now let's discover how to use percentages to compare quantities. There are a few steps to use it. Yes. First, make fraction out of quantities. Second, turn fraction into percentage. Third, compare percentages. Let's take examples. First, make a fraction out of quantity. We have 17 out of 25. How we will write it as a fraction? Which one is the part? Which one is the whole? Yes. 17 is the part and 25 is a whole. So we will write it as a fraction 17 out of 25. This is the first step. Second step, we will turn the fraction into percentage. How we will turn 17 out of 25 into percentage? Who will tell me? Yes, we took this one in the first lesson. We multiply the fraction by 100. How much we get? 68%. Now, the third step, how to compare percentages. We will see this in the next slide. In this example, we will see how to use percentages to compare quantities. Which is bigger? 12 days out of 3 weeks or 48 seconds out of 2 minutes. First thing here, we should make same units. What do we mean by making same units? Yes, we have here 12 days out of 3 weeks. We have days and weeks. We have to make the units similar. That means we have to make both of them days or both of them weeks. So here I change the weeks to days. So I have now 12 days out of 21 days. How I change weeks to days? Remember, we have in 1 week 7 days. So 3 multiply 7 equal 21. And here I have 48 seconds out of 2 minutes. I will change them, both of them I will make it as a second. So 2 minutes, I will change it to seconds. How I will change it? Yes, 2 multiply 60 because 1 minute equals 60 seconds. So 2 multiply 60 equal 120 seconds. Once you get the same units, we will start to solve. First, make fractions. Here I have 12 days out of 21 days. So 12 is the part and 21 is the whole, because of means after the number after the of, the word of, means the whole. So I will write it as a fraction 12 over 21, and here 48 out of 120. First step, we made it. So now the second step, make percentages. How we will make percentages? Remember we took this one in the first lesson? Yes. We multiply the number by 100, the fraction by 100. So 12 out of 21 multiply 100 equal 57.14%, and 48 over 120 multiply 100 equal 40%. We made the second step. Now the third step, comparing percentage. To compare any number, what we will use? Yes, greater than, less than, or equal. So now I have 57.14% is greater than 20%. That means 12 days out of 3 weeks is greater than 48 seconds out of 2 minutes. Now let's solve together question 5, page 116 from the course book. In a baby clinic, the nurse waited at 20 baby boys and 30 baby girls. Their weight were recorded as underweight, normal, overweight. The results are in this table. We have boys, underweight 5, normal 6, overweight 9. And for the girls, we have 6 girls underweight, 12 are normal, and 12 are overweight. A. What percentage of the boys were underweight, normal, overweight? B. What percentage of the girls were underweight, normal, overweight? C. Are these statements true or false? 1. More boys than girls were overweight. 2. A greater percentage of boys were overweight. 3. More girls than boys were underweight. 4. A greater percentage of girls than boys were underweight. Now the answer. A. What percentage of the boys were underweight, normal, overweight? To find out this, first we find out the fraction, right? Remember? Yes. How many boys we have underweight? Yes, we have 5 boys. 5 out of how much? Out of 20. So we write it as a fraction, 5 over 20. The second step, how we will change this fraction to percentage? We multiply it by 100. So we get 25% were underweight. So we have 25% boys are underweight. Same here to find what is the percentage of boys were normal. We have 6 boys were normal. So 6 out of 20 multiply 100 equal 30% were normal. And what is the percentage of boys were overweight? We have 9 boys were overweight, so 9 out of 20 multiply 100 equals 45%. For B, he said what percentage of the girls were underweight, normal, overweight? So we have 6 girls were underweight. So 6 out of how many girls we have? Yes, we have 30 girls. We write it now as a fraction, 6 over 30. Then we multiply it by 100 to change it to percentage. So we have 20% is underweight. How many girls, what is the percentage of girls is normal? We have 12 girls were normal, so 12 out of 30 multiply 100, we have 40 girls were normal. How many girls or what is the percentage of the girls were overweight? We have 12 girls overweight, so 12 out of 30 multiply 100, we have 40%. Now in C, he said, are these statements true or false? More boys than girls were overweight. It's false, because we have 9 boys and 12 girls. So 9 is less than 12. Number 2, a greater percentage of boys were overweight. We have the percentage of the boys. We have 25% underweight and 30% are normal and 45% are overweight. So it's true, because 45 is greater than 30 and 45 is greater than 25. So this statement is true. Number 3, more girls than boys were underweight. What do you think? Yes, it's true, because we have 6 greater than 5. We have 6 girls is underweight and 5 boys are underweight. So 6 is greater than 5. The last one, a greater percentage of girls than boys were underweight. This is false, because 20% is less than 25. Now, the last slide is your homework. Make a video about how you solve question number 6 in course book page 117 and send it to me by WhatsApp. Thank you very much.